And forget your own biases and assumptions. Remember, you're the producer. You must switch to the consumer mindset to fully understand what the person needs and why they should click on your link and purchase that product or service. So if you're doing a review site or a blog site or a review on your YouTube channel, or you're talking about a certain topics, product or service, make sure you're thinking about the person on the other end, the person watching your video, the person reading your blog. Think about them first. What do they need? Right? How can they be helped? And then promote that product or service. Deeply understand their problems. Describe their problems as well as they can. Right? Be in their head so you can build trust and relatability. If you're in the business niche, like I'm in the business niche, I describe that problem of being stuck in the 9 to 5. I was going to slave away at a corporate job that I knew I hated, and I was going to be there for the rest of my life until I retired, hopefully at the age of 65. But when I explored and started online marketing, and I started social media marketing, and I started different online ventures, I knew the answer was there. Right? There was limitless possibilities to make money on my computer from the comfort of my own home. So something like that, right? You want to deeply understand their problem because maybe you've had that problem as well. And those would be good products or good niches to partake in, right? If you ever, had that health problem and you really dove into fitness and nutrition and you enjoyed that, it changed your life. It's going to be much easier to sell those products and services because you understand the problems that other people have because you went through those problems, right? And if you didn't go through those problems, then maybe show different people that did go through those problems, whether it be a close family member or a friend or someone you looked up to, right? And how did that affect them emotionally, and then relay that message to the consumer. Okay. This is one example. I hit rock bottom when I knew I would be a slave to the corporate world in a job I hated for the rest of my life. How I blasted through this, and this would be the clickable link, how I blasted through the wall of depression and created a 6-figure online business in under a year. Okay. So you could see the problem and the solution, right? You're connecting, you're eliciting those emotions in the first line, eliciting those emotions, understanding the problem that other people have because you went through the same thing, and then how you are able to provide a solution to that problem. Okay. Instead of selling the features and benefits, describe the pain in detail. Okay, so instead of saying, oh, this supplement could do this, this, and this for you, maybe describe the pain, whether it's a joint medication or a cardiovascular medication. Talk about the pain of having a blood clot or something horrible that maybe you knew someone that went through, and say and then describe the solution to that. So an example is walking around in public overweight and upset with my body. I knew there needed to be a change. Okay, you're describing that pain, like in public, you just don't feel good about yourself. That this being overweight is it's going to affect you, your health. It's going to affect the long run of your health, maybe your family members that love you, and there needs to be a change. And this would be your closing solution, right? Where your link would be, the turning point came when I added ginseng into my diet. A lot of people may not know what ginseng is, and they'll click on that because they're curious. They're saying, oh, wow, maybe I could add ginseng to my diet. And if you don't know what ginseng is, it's kind of like an herbal form of caffeine, kind of stimulates your metabolism a little bit. So that would be a good way of selling the features or describing the pain instead of selling the features and benefits. Okay. And then lastly, we want to create a common enemy. Okay. Because if we create a common enemy, that means it's not the consumer's fault. It's not their fault. we understand because we're on the same team. Okay, so an example would be the truth about the modern diet. Okay, and then maybe we have a little ebook or something for free to collect the email. We would say the terrifying reason why you can't build muscle in the gym. Okay, so the common enemy is the modern diet. It's not me or you. It's the modern diet. It's the diet in Western society, or whatever you want to create the common enemy for. In this, the terrifying reason why you can't build muscle in the gym. That's just kind of the hook. That's the hook to get them in. So these are all powerful tools you can use for copywriting. I hope this helped you.